Hello and welcome to Aussie Math, where we show you exactly how you can tackle maths problems. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to simplify common fractions. Just here, I've got the fraction 2/8. And if I want to simplify that, it means writing it in its simplest form. And 2/8 is not its simplest form. Let me show you why. So if I drew the fraction, so there's my hole there. To draw it into eighths, I'm going to go divide it into 4, then 8 equal pieces, and I'll colour 2 of them, 1, 2, okay? First of all, I need to work out all the factors of 2, which is all the numbers that 2 can be divided into evenly. So I'm just going to put here factors and factors of 2 are, well, we could divide it by 1 evenly and we can divide it by 2 evenly, and that's it. And we're also going to have a look at the factors of 8. Okay, now the factors of 8 are, again, 1. I could divide it evenly into 1. Could divide it by 2. Can't divide it by 3. Can divide it by 4. Not by 5. Not by 6. Not by 7. But by 8. What I'm noticing here is they've both got a 1 and they've both got a 2. The one I'm interested in this situation is actually the 2. Okay, the reason I'm interested in 2 is because we want the highest number here possible. If I have a number in one of the lists and not the other, that's not going to help me. I need to be in both lists. All right, so we've got 2 is in both. I'm going to find the simplest equivalent fraction by dividing by 2 and dividing this number by 2. If I have 2 divided by 2, that's going to be 1. And on the bottom, I'm going to have 8 divided by 2, which is going to be 4. So our final fraction is 1/4. 2/8 is the same as 1/4. And 1/4 is a simpler way of writing it. We're always looking for the lowest numbers that we can have. And hopefully you can see that 2/8 would be the same as 1/4. This time I've got 3/9. And I want to find an equivalent fraction that's simpler. All right, so let's look at the factors. Factors of 3, we have 1, not 2, but 3. And factors of 9, we have 1, not 2, 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, but 9 as well. And what's the highest common factor with these two? It is 3. So that's the number we're going to divide by. And remember, we're going to do the same to the top and the bottom. So divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that gives us a fraction of 1/3. 3/9 is the same as 1/3, but 1/3 is a simpler way of writing it. If I wanted to do a diagram to check, I could draw a box. I could divide it into 3. And I could then divide it into 9ths. And if I coloured 3 of them, we can see that that's the same as 1/3. Let's have a look at this one. We've got 4/12 and we want to write a simpler fraction. So we put factors. Factors of 4 is going to be 1, 2, and 4. And factors of 12 from here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Let me know in the comments if you know about factors, and if you don't, have a look in the description. I'll link a video to help. So we're looking for the highest common factor. 4 is the highest common factor. I've got there and there. So that's the factor that we're going to use to divide by. So once again, I'm going to do the same thing to the top and the bottom. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 4/12 is the same as 1/3. You could draw that one yourself if you want to check it out. The last one, 15/20. All right, so I can do my search for factors. And first of all, I'm going to do it for 15. So my factors of 15 are going to be 1, not 2, 3, 5, and that's it, and 15. And my factors for 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And we're looking for our highest common factor. So I notice I've got 5 here and 5 here. That's our highest common factor. So we're going to be dividing by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 is going to be 3. And 20 divided by 5 is going to be 4. And that's my final fraction, 3/4. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, as we're making new maths content all the time. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.